Have you ever wondered if your supplements, your diet, or your wellness routine are actually working? Not just how you feel, but what's really happening inside your body? That's where Prysm IO comes in. Prysm IO is a powerful handheld wellness device that gives you real proof in just 15 seconds. With quick, painless finger scan, it measures the levels of carotenoids in your skin. These are powerful antioxidants found in fruits, vegetables, and supplements, and they're closely linked to healthy aging and overall nutritional health. Here's what makes this exciting. Prysm IO doesn't rely on guesswork or blood tests. It uses patent-pending Spectral RAI technology, capturing over 700,000 hyperspectral light absorption measurements in a single scan. Advanced AI then analyzes how light is absorbed into your skin to generate your Prysm score, a clear indicator of your antioxidant status. What is that in simple terms? You can finally see whether what you're putting into your body is being absorbed and used. Backed by over 20 years of antioxidant and carotenoid research, Prysm IO helps you track changes over time. Understand how your lifestyle and supplementation affect your body and make smarter, more confident health decisions. Because better health isn't about hoping, it's about knowing. If you have ever wanted to truly understand your nutritional health, take control of it, and actually do something to improve it, this is where the journey starts. Reach out to us at MyDNA to learn more about Prysm IO, how it works, and how you can use real data to improve your wellness starting today.